It takes more than 4,000 highly skilled Honda associates and a cleverly engineered manufacturing operation to melt, mold, cut, bend, shape, weld, seal, drill, spray and assemble thousands of individual parts into a brand new high-quality Honda car. And it's something that the Honda associates in Swindon do so well that they can produce one car every 80 seconds. Honda of the UK Manufacturing Limited was established in 1985 and started its operation just a year later with a pre-delivery inspection facility. Over the 20 years, Honda has invested more than £1.3 billion in its 270-acre site, making the facility the centre of Honda's car manufacturing operations in Europe, capable of producing over 250,000 cars a year and supplying customers on a global basis. This is the story of how Honda associates work together at the fully integrated car manufacturing facility in Swindon to produce a range of quality, award-winning cars, including the CR-V and Civic. The car manufacturing process begins in the engine plant, where every engine starts out as an ingot of aluminium. The ingots are melted in furnaces that reach operational temperatures of 700 degrees. The precisely measured amounts of molten metal are poured into dies that form the main parts of the engine. Every hour, around 1,600 kilos of ingots are used to produce over 60 engine blocks. Some parts of the engine are made using sand cores that make it possible to cast complicated shapes such as the cylinder head. Once cast, the components are deburred and visually inspected for quality before the next stage of the process, machining. The layout of the machining lines is very compact, with the use of computer numerically controlled machines that deliver consistent and efficient high-precision machining. It's at this stage that every engine is given a unique number, a number that is already linked to a car body that is just beginning to take shape elsewhere in the car manufacturing plants. The engine assembly area is where the machined engine blocks, cylinder heads, clutch and transmission cases, along with the other engine components, are assembled. The completed engines are transferred by overhead conveyor to the car plants, where they're prepared for installation. And to ensure the highest quality standards are maintained, a sample of engines undergo a series of rigorous tests. The car body shell begins life as part of a huge roll of steel weighing up to 20 tons and over 1.5 kilometers in length. Flat sheets are cut from the roll, and a 5,300-ton press line forms, trims, bends and pierces up to 16 main body panels that are required to make a CR-V or Civic, automatically recycling any waste. From press, the component body panels move to the welding department, where up to 150 robots perform thousands of welds to transform the various shapes of pressed steel into the instantly recognizable form of a car that's ready for the paint process. Before the paint can be applied, The robotically assembled body shells pass through a number of pre-treatment processes that cover and protect the steel and seals the body for anti-corrosion and improved warranty purposes. Once prepared, robots apply waterborne paint that gives a final color coat to the car. And in order to manage the numerous color variants that Honda produce, the robots are able to change the application color without any interruption or gap in the production process. The car body shell is baked in ovens between each process and individually inspected before moving to the final phase of its construction.